Hello, friends. Today we are here to understand about the female reproductive structure in Cycas. And the female reproductive structure in Cycas is not like a compact cone as we see in the male Cycas. Rather, here we find loosely arranged megasporophylls from here to here. This are you seeing this brown structure from here, this leaf-like structure, and this is the petiole-like structure. This structure is called megasporophyll. This structure is called Megasporophyll. In Hindi, we call this Guru Bijanuparn. Why it is called Guru? Because it is bigger in size. Okay? Microsporophylls are smaller in size. Megasporophylls are bigger. So this is a real megasporophyll that you are seeing here. It is brownish in color, and this is the Megasporophyll of Cycas revoluta. Cycas has many species. We are discussing here the Megasporophyll of Cycas revoluta. You can see the length. You can measure the length with the help of scale, and you can see that what is the length of this Megasporophyll. Okay, and these Megasporophyll, they are found at the apex of the stem, and these are a kind of modified leaves only, right? You can see here this is a flat structure. This flat broad leafy portion, can you see here? This is the flat leafy portion and is lobed. You can see here the lobes. Can you see this lobe? Here I can show you this lobe, this lobe. So many lobes you can see here. These are lobed structure. That means it is the flat part, that is the Megasporophylls has a flat part at the top, and this portion, the long portion that you are seeing from here to here, this is what? Petiole. This is petiole. In Hindi we call it vrinth. This is a petiole. So each Megasporophyll is made up of what? A Megasporophyll has two parts. One is the flat portion, this one, that is on the top, is called pinnate lamina, you can say this, and this one, the tall region, this is called the petiole. Okay, so the Megasporophylls, or in Hindi we call it Guru Bijanupar, it is a kind of modified leaves, looks like leaf only, right? But they have fur-like brownish fur-like structure, you can see here, right? And so it has a broad leafy portion, right? And a lower portion is called petiole or a stalk, right? And these leafy portions, you will see they are lobed, right? And when at the top, you will see they will taper like this. They are tapering, right? So we can say that the Megasporophyll has a lot of resemblance with the foliage leaves. The leaves, you will see the foliage green leaves, they are very long, but this is a short form. I can say it is a very much reduced form of the foliage leaves, one can say it. And these red structures that you are seeing here, and here, these are called ovules. So the ovules are borne laterally on both sides on the stalk, in the stalk portion, you can see they are placed at the lower part of the megasporophyll. At the on both sides of the stalk, you can see this red color ovules, and if it is fertilized, these ovules can be said as seed. So we don't know whether it is, it has been pollinated and fertilized or not, but the ovules only converts to seeds, right? So you can say these ovules or seeds, right? So we are now understanding that the ovules, in Hindi we call it bijand, because this will give rise to the seeds. Probably they are we guess that they are the pollination has taken place and the seed, this has become a seed, a mature seed, the ovule has turned into a seed. And that's why in Hindi we call it bijand. This is called bijand or ovules. And these ovules are found on both the sides, as you can see, right? So in Cycas revoluta, you will find that this to be around 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 225 centimeter, you can find this. And you will see that here 4 ovules are there. The ovules can vary from 2 to 10 or 12, okay? And the megasporophylls, if you watch it properly, its surface is covered by brown colored hairs. Can you see this brown color? If you touch it, it is a brown colored hairs. What is that? Brown colored hairs. So we understand that this is the structure of a megasporophyll. In Hindi we called it Guru Bijanupand, and these are so many megasporophyll. Suppose that one megasporophyll, another megasporophyll, so many megasporophyll will be there, and these megasporophylls will be loosely arranged and it will be acropetally arranged, right? So that they do not form a compact cone like males. In male cone you will see that microsporophylls are compactly arranged, but these are loosely arranged, okay? These are loosely arranged, so they will not form a cone-like structure. So thus we will stop here, and in the next video we will discuss about the ovules, right? So in this video we will summarize what we have studied. In this video we are studying the female reproductive structure in Cycas, and this female reproductive structure is called megasporophyll, or in Hindi we call it Guru Bijanupand, okay? And these megasporophylls, they develop every year, and their numbers are more in comparison to the normal foliage leaf. They look like foliage leaves, but it is a much reduced form, right? And these megasporophylls, if you see, this is flat here, this is the stalk region, and on the both sides you can see it very clearly. On the both sides of the stalk you can see, what do you see? Ovules are born, or the seeds are born. They are naked seeded plant, and their ovule is the largest in the plant kingdom. The ovule of Cycas is the largest in the plant kingdom. You can see this reddish oranges. When it is young it is green or brown in color, but when it is mature it turns into red, okay? So this is the structure of ovule, and in the next video probably we can see what an ovule looks like, okay? So this was the megasporophyll, okay, structure of megasporophyll. So thank you so much for watching the video.